Raptor Encounter next time ready one in about 2 hours.
Wow! That's it, folks. Everybody just stay right back. Let's get these reps.
Stay right here. Folks over there, stay where you are. We're going to park the trailer in the right spot, okay?
That's it. Just want you to be there, guys. Wow! Look at you, Blue. My, you have grown.
I cried. That hurt.
Wow. So it's going to look at a criminal place until you come pretty close up here. Wow, what a treat this is! Look at this, folks. We got 3 generations of Raptor all in one place.
That's right. Hey, how about we go to the races and introduce ourselves?
Right here. Well, hi there, folks. My name is Kai. I'm Raptor Handler, also known as the Raptor Gang, and I take care of all the little baby dinosaurs in the Jurassic World. Now, this little bundle is side is the little baby Kilo.
Ooh, baby Kilo.
She's 6 months old and she's a nice little girl.
It's a feisty little girl, yes. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Robbie. I specialize in DNA and I oversee the rapid manufacturing process. And today I am thrilled to announce we welcome a brand new arrival. She's less than a day old and I brought her out to say hello.
And behind us is none other than Blue. Incredible. Now how about we all say hello to these magnificent raptors on the count of 3.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, look at that, folks. What you're witnessing there is a wonder of science. Now, this is scientific achievement that is truly remarkable. To be in the presence of these living and breathing dinosaurs, that is simply breathtaking.
Indeed, 3 generations of raptor in an encounter of Jurassic proportions.
That was a nice one.
This is truly a moment worth capturing, folks. And down over that way, enjoy my friends at the back over there. If you want to get up close and personal with Blue, Baby Kilo,
Or I'll really have ready.
that's a first. Easy, Blue. Oh, that's right, my nigga. You're strong just like Blue. Well, folks, as you can see, also raptors, they're social animals. They live and hunt in packs. Now, not only are they highly intelligent, but Blue here has shown empathy through the interactions with the handlers as well as the other raptors. Now, we're hoping to have much fun for the rest of the pack.
Yes, that's right, Kyle. You see, Blue and Baby Kilo over here, they share a similar gene pool. That makes them cousins. Now, all the raptors here at Jurassic World, they share a similar gene pool almost 65 million years old. With all the other kind of DNA strands fitted in together to create what they are. Now, Blue and Baby Kilo over here, they share similar genes, which makes them cousins.
That's right, and we are thrilled that you folks get to meet our family of raptors in their various stages of life.
If you have any questions for Kai or myself, please feel free to ask.
And just a gentle reminder, please keep your hands to yourselves. These raptors, they're dangerous predators. And we want to make sure that you folks doing the snapping during picture taking.
Whoa. Okay, we're going to make sure they're be one doing the song.
All right, Kelly.
How you gonna help me out? My words are old and my tongue this afternoon.
Hey, man. Turn it up.
He
Spent a lot of time in the lab. There we go.
That's what you say? Yeah, she's a Raptor supporter. Very amazing. I'll be coming with you around and said, ooh, Blue. They love you, Blue. That's how she shows love as well. She's a curious creature. Let's face the cameras right there. Exactly. At the same time, we have a rather nice appetite. Keep it light. Well, one of these friends that get used to millions of genetic gaps. The Raptor AC over here, the Raptor that Kai's holding on to, they share similar genetics. That's why they are related. So all these Raptors are cousins, folks. Alright, let's get our big smiles and roar! Wow, Blue, did Alex teach you how to care about the people? That hurt Jurassic World Singapore, folks. Yeah, a bunch of pinless, and I was like, oh, hang around with that. Yeah. Smile. One more. All right.
Hey guys, we're gonna look this way.
Oh, man. Let's see the real shots here. Be real careful with these crazy. Apple also has Here's it live.
Exactly, well, the technology that we use, we definitely made an advancement now. Staring into the souls of all these human beings right in front of them. Yep, she is hungry.
It's almost 3 at time, and might be long before they start getting eggs.
Now we bring this little one back to the nursery.
Well, thanks for joining us here at Raptor Encounter Generations. I'm Kai, Raptor Hingga.
And I'm Dr. Robbie, resident paleontologist.
And we're going to be folks have a wonderful day here at Jurassic World.
Take care and here's a big goodbye for all of us. Goodbye. All right, everybody, do us a favor. Say bye, Blue. Bye.
Well, so gently nice. Stay right back.
This is perfect. It's so calm.
Here we go. Right back in.
Oh, it's great, it's great. Haven't seen you so long.
We'll see you around again.
See you around again.
We'll take little baby Kilo for a walk a little bit later before a nap.
You know, I hatched her when she first came out, so I would like to touch her.
Oh, maybe she remembers. That's why she's trying to find out.
Well, maybe I shouldn't be the first point of contact during hatching process.